Hey everyone, Ken and Andrea here from Northern Viking Explorer. We are here on the Norwegian Prima. We want to give you a quick tour of our interior cabin on deck 10. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Andrea, can you give us a tour of our cabin?
I'd love to. We are staying in cabin 10161. It is an interior cabin. So come on in. Let's start over by the vanity area. There's a nice big mirror that's well lit.
Yeah, lots of lighting down the sides.
Some vanity space. A drawer to keep some things in.
That's pretty big, actually.
That's decent. Cute little stool. There's no storage in it, but it is cute.
Handle so you can move it around, and then
a dryer, or hair dryer.
Hair dryer.
Full size. It's half decent. There's hot and cold on it.
Okay, perfect.
In case you were wondering.
And for plugs, right here we do have a North American plug, and there's a phone here, and then over here we've got a North American plug, a USB-C port, which I'm really happy about, USB-A, and then a European plug. Now, we like to bring these adapters with. That'll give us some more plugs as well, just like that. And maybe I'll link that below in the description if you do want to pick that up for yourself as well. That gives us another USB-A and USB-C. Got some more shelving right there with some cups. And then the bed here. Andrea, do you want to show us?
Well, I think, Ken, you're going to be really happy over here.
Am I?
Yes, because here on the lamp, you can see there's two ports.
There's a USB-A on that side and a USB-C on that side, so that makes me happy. And a plug. Ooh.
And then the light switch for this backlight.
Nice.
Here.
Looks like a king-size bed that can be converted to two twins. And then another open side table over here with more plugs.
The only difference is there's no regular plug on this.
No regular plug? Okay.
Right.
So TV. Looks like about a 40-inch TV.
I'd say, yeah.
Yeah. And another European plug right below it there as well. So that comes in handy.
There is a small cooler under here. Now it did come stocked with some beverages at additional cost.
Okay.
And then this I thought was really cool. They're actually like deep drawers.
Oh, those are really deep.
Really deep. So there's two of them. And they have the soft close. And then some small little shelving here on the side.
Now, can you check if things are magnetic or the walls are metal?
Let's see. Oh, that's pretty good. Yeah.
Okay, what about the ceiling? Oh, yeah.
That's
so we have
good.
these hooks that we bring as well. Maybe I'll link those below. We like to hang our hats and things like that on them.
The good thing is too, though, they came with 4 hooks here.
Lots of hooks, yeah.
Which is really nice. Now, another big long mirror here.
Okay.
Which is great, but let's take a look inside.
So some hangers up there.
Your safe.
The safe.
These are interesting. Roll out.
They roll out 2 of those.
2 of these, yep.
Something's clanging. And then the other side. More shelving.
Hangers.
And does that fold down?
This does, so you could have a shorter shelf here
Okay.
if you wanted.
We've got our backpacks in there already, and then
Yeah.
2 more
more
rollouts down there. Nice. And
then
then
over here, there's some open shelving.
open shelving, some extra pillows up there. I think this is for shoes down there. So is that the temperature behind you there?
It is. So we have it on the coolest now, and I did push the quick cool because
Okay,
I can feel it cooling down in here now.
nice. And then the washroom's right here.
So this is amazing in here. Come on in.
A couple more hooks up top.
Yes, 2 more. So starting over here, we have 2 towel bars. There's 3 shelves, 2 deeper shelves underneath. And then this is nice. There's deep storage under here with the garbage can stored in the cabinet.
Nice big sink as well.
Lots of counter space.
And
Liquid
then
hand soap.
Hand soap. A plug for your shaver. And this makes me very happy.
Glass shower.
Glass shower.
That's always nice on
Or
a cruise ship.
acrylic, I guess.
True. So we have an adjustable shower head that goes up and down. There is body wash and a conditioning shampoo.
Okay.
And then
shelves.
And a bar for your foot when you shave your legs.
Nice.
And there's also a clothesline up here.
Does that shower head go up and down?
Oh, I'm sure it does. Yeah.
Somehow?
Yeah, you can wiggle it up.
Awesome.
Yeah, so I think that's really nice.
Really nice. Probably one of the nicest bathrooms we've had on a cruise ship, especially for an interior cabin, and nicer than even some of the balcony cabins we've had.
Absolutely. It's very spacious. Some good news, the suitcase does fit under the bed. So that's our cabin 10161.
So I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the Norwegian Prima videos. Thanks again for watching, and take care.